In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for marketing. Whether you're a seasoned marketing professional or just starting, you know how vital an organized and efficient workflow is. Monday.com, a project management tool, is transformative in streamlining processes, allowing you and your team to focus more on creativity and less on management. Let's dive into how to set up your marketing projects using Monday.com. The journey begins by navigating to the Monday.com homepage. Once there, you're greeted with a streamlined interface designed to kickstart your project setup with minimal fuss. Keep an eye out for the main workspace area. This is where the magic starts. Looking at your main workspace, you'll notice a plus icon. Clicking on this icon is your first step toward creating a new board, a fundamental building block in Monday.com SE organizational structure. These boards are where your projects will live, breathe, and evolve. Hovering over the option to create a board reveals further options. One of them is start with a template. This is a shortcut to efficiency. Why reinvent the wheel when you can customize a ready-made framework to suit your needs? Templates on Monday.com are thoughtfully designed to cater to various project types, including marketing. Next, it's time to narrow down these options to find the perfect fit for your marketing project. In the template search bar, type marketing. You'll see a range of templates tailored to different aspects of marketing, from managing an editorial calendar to tracking a social media campaign. For this guide, let's focus on two specific templates: email marketing and marketing activities. Each template is designed to address different needs within the marketing spectrum. Email marketing templates are splendid for campaigns, tracking engagements and results over time, while marketing activities templates can help manage broader marketing tasks. For this example, let's delve into the email marketing template. Clicking on this option will bring up a detailed preview, allowing you to assess how well it aligns with your campaign goals. It's packed with features to manage contacts, draft emails, schedule sends, and analyze results, essentially streamlining your entire email marketing workflow. Once you've explored the template and decided it's the right fit, the next step is to make it your own by clicking on Use Template. This action will create a new board in your workspace, pre-populated with the structure and fields from the template, but completely customizable to meet your campaign's unique requirements. Now, the real work begins, but also the fun. You can start by tweaking the board columns to match your data points. For example, you may want to track the open rate or the click-through rate of your emails directly within the board. Monday.com S flexibility allows you to add or remove columns as needed, rename them, or change the column type, such as text, number, date, etc., to best fit your data. You're also encouraged to dive into the template settings. Here, you can adjust the board's overall settings, permissions, and integrations. Integrations are particularly powerful, allowing you to connect Monday.com with other tools you're using, such as your email marketing platform, to streamline workflows even further. And finally, collaboration. One of the strongest features of Monday.com is its collaborative nature. Invite your team members to join the board, assign tasks, set deadlines, and communicate directly within the platform through updates and comments on tasks. This level of cooperation and transparency ensures everyone is aligned, informed, and moving towards the same goals. To sum up, utilizing Monday.com for your marketing projects not only brings organization and efficiency into your workflow, but also enhances collaboration and drives better results through detailed tracking and analysis. Start with a template tailored to your needs, customize it to fit your project, and invite your team to collaborate and contribute. It's time to take your marketing projects to the next level with Monday.com.